Hello everyone, welcome to AnalytixNest YouTube channel. Today we will be exploring the most popular tool Alteryx. So we will be looking for various uses of Alteryx and how to use different transformation and tool in Alteryx. Before that, please consider subscribing YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from the AnalytixNest. So in today's agenda, we will be discuss about introduction to Alteryx, how to install Alteryx, Alteryx product overview, demonstration of Alteryx designer, learning path, benefits, conclusion. So introduction, Alteryx designer is a self-service data analytics software suite which can perform ETL, extra transform load operation and some other thing like manipulating your data, creating those calculation that you might typically do in Excel. So how to install Alteryx? For installing Alteryx, you go to Alteryx website. In the Alteryx website, we have two options. One is your desktop trial and cloud trial. Both are available for 30-day trial only. Alteryx product. There are three types of Alteryx product. First one is your Alteryx designer. Clean, prepare, transform the data by connecting multiple data sources. Second is Alteryx Cloud, data preparation and machine learning tools in the cloud for collaborative analytics. Third one is Alteryx Server, share, scale and automate the workflow across the entire organization. Overview. In the overview, we will be discuss tools, workflow, configuration window and result window. Let's deep dive into Alteryx and understand what are the different palettes and different canvas and result window. So in the top part, this is called as file, edit, view, option, help is there. So below that we have these are called as palettes like recommended, input, preparation, join, pass, transformation, reporting, etc. And inside the palettes there are transformation like input transformation, text input, output data, data cleansing, autofill, formula, imputation. And below that this is called a workflow configuration panel. Okay. And here we have the canvas. Here we design our workflow. Here is the result window. Let's do a demo and how to use our Alteryx for data preparation. So we have a data set, coffee tea sales data. So in the coffee tea sales data, the data has date, market size, market, product line, product type, profit, sales, state and target sales and type. So first of all, we have a data set in Excel or CSV file. So we will be pull the data to Alteryx and use it to generate a workflow in Alteryx. So first of all, we go to Alteryx designer and drag the input transformation. Through the input transformation, we will be connect the data. So input transformation, we have to set up a connection here to use this data set. So we have the data set in Excel file, coffee tea sales data. So I drag the data set here directly to Alteryx canvas. You have to delete it using press the delete option in keyboard or right click here and we have to delete option is there to delete it. Cut, copy, paste, zoom, delete, all these things are there by using right click here. So let after the use it, the whatever the data here is visible here, the same data we see in the Excel sheet. So this is a CSV file and inside this we have to use this file for our analysis. So you have to click here the run option. This is a run button is there. So when you click on the run option, the data is run inside the Alteryx. So after that we have view the data in our result window. This is called as result window. You have to view the data in the result window. So here we have date, market size, market, product line, product type, profit, sales, state, all the data visible from our configuration panel, same as our result window. So the difference between the result window and configuration panel data means inside the data you have to view two things, data and metadata. Metadata means all the column names and their type, data types, their size and the source from where we have to pick up the data. In the data you have different option. You have to click here, copy the all the record with header, copy the all the records without headers, copy the record also possible from here. So you have to right click here, 3 dot to click here, then data cleansing activities are replace the null data, remove the unwanted character, modify the case, filter the data. You have to filter the data by using east. If I apply here, then the all the market east is so. How to remove this filter? You go to filter tab again, clear the filter. After clearing the filter is removed. So in the next stage we are using the preparation tab. In the preparation tab there is a sum of the transformation. So first of all we are using the autofill transformation. Inside the autofill transformation, this autofill transformation will be decrease the size of your metadata. Currently the metadata size is very high, like 254. If I connect a autofill tool and if I run it, so you are able to view the size of metadata is decreased and some of the data types is converted, like sales profit in 32, targeted sales in 16. So autofill tool is very much important if the date means size of the data is to decrease and the type of the string means type of the data column data is converted into different type, like it is previously all are in string format, now it is converted to different data types. So next our tool is your filter tools. Filter tool used to restrict the data. Inside the data I have filtered the product line only T. So in the filter there is two type of filter option, basic filter and custom filter. If I select basic filter and I go for the markets or product line, so all the columns are visible here, then the product lines is equal to T. So there is a two options after the filter tab. You may call as answers, and this is a truth answer and false answer. The truth answer only T is product lines are there, and in the false answer other item are there like coffee. So filter is used to restrict the data. So if I have go for custom filter and product line is T and the sales greater than 500, so here I write the condition, this is the end condition. After that it is properly work and sales is greater than 500. So if I hit the run up button, so here it satisfies two conditions. First one is product line is T and the sales is greater than 500, all the sales greater than 500. So next transformation we have, this is called as formula tab, and in this formula tab there is a many formulas are there in Alteryx. So there is a two options in the formula transformation. First one is that update the existing column, like we have product type. So if I select product type and I am using the upper function, uppercase, and inside this part I am using product type, and if I click it and execute it, so the product type is converted into uppercase. This is the product type. So I am using here uppercase, the existing. Another formula function, another formula is that create a new column. So I want here the multiplication of sales, okay, sales into 10, okay. So sales into sales 10 times. So I want sales 10 times. So here I use the sales into 10. So new column sales 10 times is generated at the end of the data. This is called a multiplication. 513 multiplied by 10, this is a 5113. So this part is called as workflow in Alteryx. We will be design the workflow in Alteryx. So adding one transformation is other. So the workflow is generated. This is the connection. This is, if you right click here, this is the delete connection, make connection wireless, insert connection, zoom in, zoom out. This part is called a connection between the two transformation. Let us see other transformation. Another transformation is called a select transformation. So basically the select transformation is used for selecting the field or selecting the columns in our data. So in Alteryx this is called as fields, or you called as columns as same as Excel. So in the selecting transformation you have to change the types, data types, as well as rename. So I rename into date here. So I have to write that is the profit. Please consider the profit column. I write a sample text. So here this part is converted. If I mark is not mark it, so I removed the cells 10 times. I hit the run button. So you have got the profit, okay, profit and date as what is written here. So it is a increase the size of font of the date, capital D, and profit as capital P. So you have to change it from by using select tab and select deselect the column by using the select transformation. So another transformation we have in Alteryx, this is called as sort. Sort basically it will be sorting the any numeric field by using ascending and descending. If I select sales and sort as descending order, so it will be sorted in the descending order. So we have understand how to design the workflow in Alteryx. This is called as workflow. You have to click it here in this way and Control C it, and you have to copy to another tab. These are called as different workflow, means all the tabs in Alteryx. So you have to Control C and Control V also in working in Alteryx also. So this is all about demonstration part of the Alteryx. So in the next part we are understanding benefits of Alteryx. So the major benefits of Alteryx is that it is easy to learn, easy to use, no coding required. Excel like formula and function are there in Alteryx. So for the discussion of the learning path, we will follow the learning path in this way. Overview of user interface, introduction to Alteryx. Second phase, we are understanding about pulling the data from multiple sources like Excel, CSV, SQL DB. This process is called as data loading. Third stage is data preparation. Data preparation tools allow user to organize, clean and modify the data within the workflow. So fourth stage is transformation. Transform the data like group by, join, filter, union and append. And fifth phase of your learning path, this is automate process by using macro. So macro and apps will be discussed. Next slide, the contents. What are the content we provided to you? So will be learn. You should learn from this content. So first one is introduction to Alteryx. So we have introduced the Alteryx, canvas overview, data loading. Second one is data loading, pulling the data from Excel, CSV database, text input, data input, output data, flat file, documentation tool, comments, explorer box and container. Next one is your data preparation. In the data preparation, select, filter, sort, record ID, data cleaning formula, multi-row formula, multi-field formula. In the next, we have data transformation. Data transformation, join, parse, summarize, append, cross tab, find and replace. Then reporting tab, interactive charts, table, report text, rendering. Then we have Analytics app and macro, standard macro, batch macro, iterative macro and Analytics app. Case study, will be add the case study at the end. From the conclusion of your session is that Alteryx is a software solution that allow user to quick access to manipulate, analyze and output the data. So in Alteryx, we have to analyze the data very quickly and manipulate the data and generate the output format of the data in the different format like Excel, database or any format. So thank you all for this session.